How to run Throughput Test in developer settings on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer. Now if you do not have Developer, you need to go into Privacy and Security to switch it on. So in here, go down to the bottom, then tap on Developer Mode. Then make sure you turn on Developer Mode. After that, we go back into Settings and then tap on Developer. Now scroll down, and in here, tap on Run Throughput Test. Then tap on Start Test, and then tap on Continue. And we'll wait for the result to come back from the test. And once the test has finished, you should have your result down here with ping packet loss, idle ping latency, download speed, and upload speed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.